Hello everyone! A magnetic nail design brand is traditionally known to creating a lot of tools to help you create the nail like this one. And tonight we're going to show you a lot of demos, a lot of tools and how to use it. I'm Magda and we are Magnetic. In the first video, we're going to show you how to create super easy and super sharp ballerina nail. Let's start with the preparation and a thin layer of the rubber base over the natural nail, and we cure this 30 seconds after application. Then we need to choose the correct size of ballerina shapeset form and then apply the product in it. We're going to apply the thin layer of the frosted pink power gel with the Ikebana brush, nice and even inside the shapeset. We do not cure this part. Then we place the shapeset on the free edge of the natural nail. We cure the connection of the nail with the shape and cure it until it's secure. Then we cure completely under the twin light. Remove the form and then with precision shaper we remove the excess of the product. Then we build the structure of the nail with the power gel by placing the bead closer to the cuticle and with the Prestige 10 brush pulling it towards the edge. Just perfect application. Nice and easy. After 60 seconds cure, we're going to file it 180 grit just to make sure our ballerina is beautiful and sharp. After filing, removing the dust, of course, the top gel of your choice. Supreme Finish is perfect for this to secure our color. 60 seconds cure and our nail is ready. Nice and easy with shapeset. Fast and easy. And nowadays you can also create, by using shaped forms, the full nail without the filing. Let's have a look. For this nail we're going to use Fiber Gel Blush Peach. We applied the base coat with the Fiber Gel Blush Nude by using Premium Gel Brush and cure it 60 seconds. Nice and thin application. Now we choose the correct size of the shapeset. We choose the almond forms and apply the Fiber Gel Blush Peach into the shapeset with the brush of your choice. Nice and thin layer. Do not cure this one. Place the shapeset on the natural nail, cure the connection to the nail with the shape and cure it until it's secure. And correct the nail from underneath with the Detailer number 3 brush. Then cure completely under the twin light, 60 seconds curing. Now we remove the shapeset and the sticky layer with the Prep and Wipe and wipe. With shaper bead, we perfecting the connection. Now we're perfecting the shape with the 180 grit file, just to make sure our nail is nice and sharp. The correction of the shaper bit, we remove the dust, buffing with the white block, and finishing with the top gel of the choice. The Supreme Finish is great to finish our Fiber Gel Peach to create our perfect nail. Nice, natural looking with minimum filing and shapets. As you've seen, you can use the shapets for the different tips or the full cover, but you can literally create any shape with shapets. Let's have a look. We love the possibilities of these forms, and this month you can purchase them and all other products for Sculpting with 20% discount on our website. And if you need any training or maybe more information about our products, do not hesitate to contact me. And the Shape It is only part of our sculpting tools. Let's move on to our next demo. We're going to use Ultra Form tips. First, we're choosing the right size to match perfectly the natural nail, and we're pre-blending the tip before the application with the 100 grit file. Now the brush on glue. We apply a sufficient amount on the tip just to make sure you have enough glue to stick to the nail. Place the tip on a natural nail and hold it for an average of 10 seconds. Remove the excess of the brush on glue with the nail wipe. We cut the tip to desired length and file into shape. We blend in the remaining material invisibly with the 100 grit file. Please do not touch the natural nail. We shape the nail and create an almost invisible extension. After this one, we apply soft bond primer, and here the rubber-based frosted pink, but you can really use any product of your choice to finish the nail over the tip. This is just perfect natural look. A little bit of filing, 180 grit file, and after the nail is shaped, we can apply the top gel. Nice and even layer, 60 seconds cure, an ultra natural look with ultra form tips. Perfect salon nail. Okay, so we love the tips, we love the shape its, but now it's time to the free sculpt nails, and this is what we love the most. And with magnetic nail design products, it is a piece of cake. We're starting up the free sculpt then with choosing the right stick. The pinching stick will help us to create the perfect C-curve. We choose the perfect one, and now the high-tech forms. We're also going to use the nail form support. The nail form support are aluminum sheet. We cut in it into desired length with the straight scissors, and we place it on the back on our form. Once this one is placed, we need to use our pinching sticks to curve the aluminum back. We roll it slightly around the stick to create the perfect C-curve. Just perfect. Now we're matching this with the natural nail, and we're checking where we need to cut and adjust our form. We use the lines that are ideal for measurement on our high-tech forms. Now it's time for sculpting. We're starting up with the soft bond primer and the power gel nude, placing it all over the nail and the form to create the desired length. We use the Prestige brush number 10, pressing it and pulling the product. Cure it few seconds, and if you want to pinch, you can also use our pinching tool. Now we're using the second layer to build the nail from the cuticle. We place the bead on the natural nail and now pulling this towards the free edge. once the nail is done and build it with the power gel nude. Cure 10 seconds and use the pinch clamp to ensure that nail retains into correct shape. Put back to the light for 60 seconds and once cured, remove the form from underneath and let's file. We file in with the 180 grit. File in the shape and the perfect square, the lower arch, the free edge and the top of the nail. Now we use the expert bead to finish the shape in the nail around the cuticle and the side walls. This is the perfect tool to seal the products. Now let's paint some French over the shaped nails. This is the liner gel and we use the flower brush angular to create the perfect smile line. Nice and thin layer of the liner gel. And now the Sylvana's choice for the corners of the smile line and to perfect our smile line shape. Pull in the products and rounded it around the free edge. We perfect our application and after smile line is perfect, we cure it 60 seconds and if we have to, we can repeat this process one more time with the second layer of the liner gel. Our smile line is finished, now it's time for the top gel. Supreme finish all over the nail, 60 seconds cure and perfect finish. And look at that C-curve, that could be only possible with magnetic nail support. This was the amazing technique and really technical nails, but you can also do it in your salon. And if you need the extra tools for it, now you have the option to buy it with 20% discount on our website. And don't forget, if you need any training or maybe you want to become a trainer, do not hesitate to contact us. I hope you enjoyed tonight's demo and I will see you next month.